Hey everyone! Welcome back to Stock Informer, your prime spot for market intel, stock scoops, and economic heat. New here? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay dialed in. Today, we're digging into a huge warning from JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon. Trump's tariffs are set to slam growth and spike inflation, shaking up the global economy. Markets are on edge, and your investments might take a hit. Let's break it down and map your next play. What's the word? Dimon dropped a 59-page shareholder letter Monday, April 7, 2025, saying Trump's tariffs, the steepest in over 100 years, are a big straw on the camel's back. Short term, higher prices, slower growth. Recession? Maybe it's up in the air. He's yelling we're not in Kansas anymore, flagging trade chaos messing with investments, capital, and the dollar. JPM stock? Sitting at $210.28, down from its $280.25-year high after a 13% weekly drop. Markets are feeling it. SPY, tracking the S&P 500, holds at 564.251, off its 613.23 peak. DIA, tied to the Dow, is at 421.599, below its 451.55 top. KELD, reflecting Nasdaq 100, sits at 91.532, a slide from 99.92. Last week's rout, Dow lost 1,700 points, Nasdaq shed 6, shows tariffs hitting hard. Dimon says the longer this drags, the worse it gets. 54 on China, 20% on the EU, 185 countries in the blast zone since April 5th. Wall Street's big dogs are spooked. Billionaire Bill Ackman's begging Trump to pause tariffs 90 days, says April 9th's rollout is nuts. Stan Druckenmiller caps support at 10%, not this wild 54%. Ex-Goldman boss Lloyd Blankfein wants a 6-month delay on the reciprocal piece. JPM's own economist Michael Feroli, first big bank voice calling recession in 2025, blaming tariff weight. Inflation sticky. Powell said Friday it might not fade fast. What's the damage? JPM's year low was 179.2. Earnings this Friday could push it there if guidance flops. SPY, DIA, KELD are wobbly. Tech's bleeding. Banks are bruised. Bright spots? Volatility might juice trading desks, and Trump's deregulation could lift banks later. But data says growth's choking. Services PMI hit 50.8. Jobs spiked 275,000 cuts in March. Gold's up. Oil's down 7. Chaos rules. Your move? JPM, SPY, DIA, KELD tread light. Defensive plays. Staples, gold might hold. Buy the dip? Risky. Dimon's unsure how deep this cuts. Friday's earnings are make or break for banks. Stay woke, fam, this ain't a drill. That's the scoop. Dimon sounding off tariffs could tank us. Recession or rebound, what's your bet? Drop it in the comments. Like this breakdown? Hit that like, share it, subscribe for more. Catch you next time. Keep stacking those gains.